Okay, so within Dropbox, I'm going to share with you Square House Capital's folder. Within here, most of the stuff you're not going to need, acquired properties, etc. But I'm going to give you the access anyway, just so you do have it, in the chance that we do work on a project that may involve something that's not related to new deals. The one that you're going to be working on, particularly now, is going to be new deals. Within new deals, if you click in here, you'll see each of the deals that we've taken a look at, and they're all organized within folders with the state, a comma, the city, a dash, and the name of the property. So some of these deals we've underwritten, some of the deals we have not. And so what you would do is you would actually go into it. You'll see that there's a folder for broker docs, and this is all the information received from the brokers. LOI, if we did submit an LOI, it'll be in here. Then there's other different files, and this is where a T12 will go, a rent roll will go, and financials will go after you parse it. So you're going to get it. I'll show you exactly what you need to do, but you'll get them from the broker docs. You'll parse it the way we need it to look, and then you'll save it here. These files, the financials and the brochure, all get saved using some Python code. When you're in the new deals folder, there's a main sheet that I use for my tracking and for my agenda for deals. You have this top section, which will be primary deals. Then you have a section for all the new deals that have come in. We'll take a look at all these, and if it's really if we're working on a tight timeline, or if we think we're going to be going through bidding, we'll move it up to primary. There's a hidden section here for deals that we bid on. Most of these we didn't win. Almost all of them we didn't win. And then the deals, we passed the deals down here if we don't. None of these numbers are hard punched in here. They all run off of this property ID code, which reads from the data sheet tab, which I'll show you. So if I were to delete this, it all goes to NA. But what it allows me to do is easily just keep all the information in this data sheet tab. I'll update these as I get deals in. And as I get pricing information, I'll put it into here, which will then you can pick up here. So I would just focus on this sheet for now. And then that's it. Within each of these deals, you'll have a broker doc folder, which is all the files we received from the broker. You may see an LOI if we bid on it. And also, there will be times where, let me find the right deal, where once we do get the information, once we parse the rent roll in the T12, we'll save it here. And then as well, the financials that we'll use in our underwriting will also come from here. And this is also where we're going to save our underwriting. And the naming convention I usually use is a city, comma, the state, dash the name of the property, dash UW dash V.1. And I need to save it all as macro enabled. So you have to make sure that your file is macro enabled.